So my Apple Watch has been charged, and now we're going to be setting it up. So the bands, simple and easy to put. They're very easy. They slide on in. I found that out reading the instructions. So that's simple and easy. Let's slide it in now. So as you can see here, this is gonna slide into this. All I do is just slide this band inside. Simple and easy. As you can see, slide it in. It will make a clicking sound once it's in. And to take it off, all we do, so on the back here, there's a button we press, and then we can take off the band. So that's simple. Now let's move on to the next band, and once that's in, we can get started. So as you can see, both bands are in. Now basically what it's telling me, I need to bring my watch closer to my iPhone. So if I open my iPhone, as you can see, this is my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and automatically it picks up there's a watch. So I click continue. So it brings me to the Apple Watch page. So this is my first time using an Apple Watch. I'll set up for myself. Hold the Apple Watch up to the camera, align it with the viewfinder. So I'm just gonna align it like that, I think. And as you can see, there's a green line, and as you can see, my Apple Watch is paired just like that. So simple. How's that? As you can see here, it's 42mm aluminum case designed by Apple California. Now I'm gonna click setup Apple Watch. On which wrist? So I'm gonna wear it on the right. Continue. The digital crown, select a side for the digital crown. So I'm going to use it on the top. I don't think so on this side. I prefer it having it over there. Just trying to think now. Will this side actually be better? I have a crown like that. Or will I have? Or does it look better having top? How does it feel? How will it suit me? I think it will suit me just fine on the top, because I can always change this if I want to in the future. But for me, I think this is fine. Continue. As you can see, setting language, connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. So I'm going to agree to the term. So now it's gonna ask me to put my Apple account password, which I will enter now. So once my account is put, as you can see, it will now wants me to asking me if I want to share analytics. Don't share. So Apple Watch passcode, when you set a passcode. So I don't think I want to add a passcode yet. So I'm gonna click don't add passcode. Don't use passcode. So it's gonna ask me to check the text size, and I can increase the font if I wanted to. As you can see, it's slightly bigger. You can even make it more bigger. I'll keep it at this size for the time being. I think that's fine. Continue. Shared settings, Apple Watch share settings with iPhone for location services. Find my iPhone with Siri. So I'm going to click OK. So now it's going to ask me to confirm my information, which I will confirm here, my personal health info. Click continue. As you can see, welcome to activity on Apple Watch. Continue. Next, daily move goal, calories per day. I'm just gonna keep just gonna go, I think 80, 80, change my move goal. Daily exercise goal, I'd recommend to get at least 10 minutes. Set exercise goal. Set stand goal 8, I don't know. Working route tracking. Yes, I'm gonna enable route tracking. Sleep. Your device will dim the screen to help. Set up schedule. So we can set up a sleep schedule. Sleep schedule, I'm just gonna go skip for now. Get notifications about your health. Noise. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. Are you taking these medications? No, I'm not, so I'm gonna continue. Apple Watch emergency, continue. Double tap. Tap your index finger and thumb together twice to answer a call. As you can see, there's a lot of tricks I can use. I'll click continue. Open dip and submerge, I'm doing that. So now it's my Apple Watch is syncing. So whilst that is syncing, you can get to know your watch. So it will take a while to sync a bit, but here you can basically navigate, get to know what's happening about your watch. Done. So basically it will stop syncing once that reaches the end. So we'll come back once it stops syncing. So as you can see here, it says setup is complete. So we'll go back to the watch and done. So as you can see, hello, the hello screen also here. Done. I'll click here, and now I can just adjust my settings, start, and learn how to navigate your Apple Watch. So I'm going to learn how to do this. Press the digital crown to see your apps. Oh, and just look at this. Just look at the screen, how nice it looks, how clear it looks. And it's so fascinating to see this because my first time using an Apple Watch. And I've always used the Galaxy Watch, so this in the squared off look kind of, and this crown, it seems nice. Press the side button to open. You almost had it, try again. So as you can see, I'm going to press the side button to open. So that's the side button. Open control center. As you can see, there's a button next to the crown. Press the side button to close control center. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets. So I just have to turn the crown like that. Welcome to Apple Watch. And yeah, this is my new Apple Watch. I can't wait to explore more. But that was just the setup process. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, this is Candy Bar signing out.